How to cook easy fish curry. First things first, we need this yellow curry paste. We need 2 tablespoons of yellow curry paste and then rub it to our white fish fillet. And then in the pan, we saute onion, ginger, and garlic. And then we add 1 tablespoon of yellow curry paste. And then we add 400 ml of coconut milk. And then add 1/2 cup of water and around 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. We mix it all together and then we add our veggies. I have here capsicums and carrots. We cover and let it boil. Once it boils, it's time to add the fish. And then we cover it again and cook for 10 to 15 more minutes and then you're done. Thank you for watching.